Hi guys, warm welcome you all. In today's video, we are going to discuss important and famous novels of English literature. Yes, friends, and of that novels, what we will discuss very brief details related to that important novels written in a history of English literature by important novelists. एंड फ्रेंड्स, जो भी डिस्कस होगा वो बहुत ही ब्रीफ में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्योंकि कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फेमस नॉवेल्स एंड अबाउट देयर थीम्स, अबाउट देयर सब्जेक्ट मैटर, they became famous in history of English literature. We will discuss all that here in this video very briefly. Let's start that. Here very first novel we are discussing here, Wuthering Heights, which was written by Emily Bronte. Emily Bronte was the writer, was the novelist of this great novel of English literature, that is Wuthering Heights. And yes, it was published in December 1847. December 1847 में ये publish हुई है. And नरेटर मिस्टर लॉकवुड एंड नीले डीन इसके नरेटर हैं इस नॉवेल के. एंड द जेनर ऑफ दिस नॉवेल इज, नॉवेल की कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करता है. एंड इन दैट कैटेगरी, सब कैटेगरी इसकी क्या है, गॉथिक फिक्शन एंड ट्रेजेडी. दिस इज अ ट्रेजिक नॉवेल एंड इट इज the subcategory, subgenre of this novel is Gothic fiction. This belongs to Gothic fiction and published in December 1847. And the narrator was Miss Lockwood and Neely Dean. And one of important thing, friends, Emily Bronte was the one of the Bronte sisters. वो Bronte sisters में से थी. Was the great novelist of the Victorian era. And yes, this novel she had written by the pen name of Alice Bell. Yes, pseudonym नेम से उन्होंने नॉवेल लिखा है ये. दिस जो जब ये उन्होंने लिखा था, जब पब्लिश हुआ था, देन इट वाज पब्लिश अंडर द पेन नेम ऑफ एलिस बेल. एलिस बेल के नेम से एमले ब्रोंटे ने ये नॉवेल लिखा है. आफ्टर दैट एमले ब्रोंटे के नेम से वो इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में फेमस हुई है. बट दिस नॉवेल सी हैड रिटन एज द pseudonym or pen name of Alice Bell. Next we have Frankenstein, which is also subtitled as the Modern Prometheus, or the Modern Prometheus is the another title of this very famous novel of the Mary Shelley, Frankenstein. And Mary Shelley was the wife of the P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley जो विक्टोरिया जो रोमांटिक पोएट थे, उनकी वाइफ थी Mary Shelley. And she has written this important novel Frankenstein, which is known as the Modern Prometheus. And yes, friends, it was written on the date of 1818. 1818 में ये नॉवल लिखी गई है. एंड द कैरेक्टर्स, इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं, द मॉन्स्टर है, Victor Frankenstein है, and Dracula. These are the important characters involved in this novel Frankenstein. And the genre of this novel is, yes, obviously the subcategory of this novel is gothic fiction. ये gothic fiction है, horror fiction and also science fiction, because it has a scientific experiment involved in this novel of Mary Shelley. That's why this is called a science fiction novel of Mary Shelley. And Mary Shelley was the wife of P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley की wife थी Mary Shelley. And one important thing, friends, this is based on the scientific fiction, scientific experiment पे based on है ये novel. And ये बहुत ही important, one of the best novel है English literature की, written by Mary Shelley. Moving on to the next novel of English literature, which is very important. And the next we have Things Fall Apart, which was written by Nigerian author novelist Chinua Achebe. Chinua Achebe was the novelist of this important and famous novel Things Fall Apart. And yes, it was publication date जिसकी है वो 1598 में ये publish हुई है novel. And the important characters we have here, some Nigerian name है ये, Ikimefona and Izima Noyo Okonko and Mr. Brown. These are the characters involved in this novel, Things Fall Apart. And the genre of this novel is historical fiction. ये सब category जो novel की है, this belongs to historical fiction, because ये story जो है, this is a story based on the chronicle and pre-colonial life in the साउथ ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द नाइजीरिया। नाइजीरिया के साउथ ईस्टर्न पार्ट की पोस्ट कॉलोनियल जो लोग रहते थे वहाँ पे, पोस्ट कॉलोनियल स्टोरी पे, ये लाइफ पे बेस्ड ऑन स्टोरी है। And the arrival of Europeans during the late 19th century. So, this is the story of the post colonial life of the southeastern part of Nigeria and the arrival of the Europeans during the late 19th century. That's why this is historical fiction, and the category of this book is novel, and उसमें सब कैटेगरी जो है वो हिस्टोरिकल फिक्शन से ये नॉवेल बिलोंग करती है। थिंग्स फॉल अपार्ट, which was written by Chinua Achebe, who was the Nigerian novelist and author. Next novel we have Jane Eyre, which was written by Charlotte Bronte. She was also one of the Bronte sisters, जो विक्टोरियन एज में इन्होंने ये ब्रॉन्टे सिस्टर्स ने अपने राइटिंग करियर और स्किल्स को दिखाया है, and they have written important novels, important poems also. And Charlotte Bronte's novel Jane Eyre is one of the autobiographical novel, and this was published in 16th October 1847 में ये novel publish हुई है। And the important characters we have in this novel involved Edward Rochester and Bertha Moisson, Jane Eyre. These are the important characters involved in this novel, and the genre subcategory of this novel is Gothic fiction and romantic novel. This is Gothic fiction novel and romantic novel by Charlotte Bronte. And friends, Charlotte Bronte ने जब ये नॉवल लिखा था तो उन्होंने जो नेम लिखा था उस पेन नेम से जब ये नॉवल लिखा था, दैट वाज करर बेल। करर बेल के नेम से, करर बेल के नेम से इन्होंने नॉवल लिखा है when she has written this novel and published under the pen name of Currer Bell. And this is a story of a simple girl, Jane. Jane की story है, who faces lot of struggles, obstacles in her life. अपनी life में बहुत ही ज़्यादा struggles, बहुत ही ज़्यादा obstacles जो face करती है throughout her life. This is the story of that simple girl, and she battles against all these obstacles in her life. So, Jane Eyre, this is one of the very important, very touching, very famous emotional novel by Charlotte Bronte. She has written this novel when it was published under the pen name Currer Bell. Currer Bell के नेम से इन्होंने अपना नॉवेल ये लिखा हुआ है, जो कि पब्लिश हुई है 16 अक्टूबर 1847 में। Now moving on to the next novel. Important novel we have of English literature, that is A Passage to India. It was written by E.M. Forster. E.M. Forster ने ये novel लिखा है A Passage to India. It is based on the post-colonial life of Indians when इंग्लैंड वॉज रूलिंग ओवर इंडिया। जब इंग्लैंड रूलिंग कर रहा था, इंग्लैंड का ब्रिटिश राज था, एट द टाइम ऑफ दैट दिस नॉवल वॉज रिटन, एंड दिस नॉवल इज बेस्ड ऑन दैट स्टोरी। एंड ई एम फॉस्टर हैज रिटन वेरी ब्यूटिफुली दिस नॉवल अ पैसेज टू इंडिया, एंड द पब्लिकेशन डेट ऑफ दिस नॉवल इज 4 जून 1924। 1924 को ये नॉवल पब्लिश हुई है, 4 जून को। एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर इन्वॉल्व इन दिस नॉवल आर Mr. Aziz. Mr. Aziz is an important character. Mr. Cyril Fielding, Mrs. Moray, and Miss Adela Quested. These are the important characters who played very beautiful role in this novel by A.M. Forster. And the fiction and the subcategory genre of this is a fictional novel. This is based on the post-colonial uh, mindset of the people residing the time of the British Raj here in India, and also the Indian independence movement in 1920. This is the story on based on that incidents, that event happened in Indian movement at the time of the Indian independence movement. Now let's discuss another novel of English literature. Next we have Mrs. Dalloway. Dalloway, which was written by Virginia Woolf. Virginia Woolf की ये novel है, and she was the one of the greatest author और novelist of the 20th century, modern age की writer हैं, novelist हैं। Mrs. Dalloway is a novel written by Virginia Woolf, and the publication date of this novel is 14th May 1925. Yes, this novel was written in 14th May. Publication date जो है वो 14th May 1925 की है. And the characters involved in this novel are Septimus Warren Smith, Richard Dalloway, Mrs. Clarissa Dalloway, Razia Warren Smith, Hughes Whitbread are the important novels. And the genre of this novel is psychological fiction. Psychological novel है ये. And this is the story of a lady, of a single day story है ये क्लैरिसा की, क्लैरिसा डॉलोवे की सिंगल लाइफ को ये डिपिक्ट करती है. दिस नॉवेल इज ऑल अबाउट अ डे इन द लाइफ ऑफ क्लैरिसा डेलोवे. क्लैरिसा डेलोवे की लाइफ में का एक दिन जो होता है, दैट इज all about what happened in a day in her life. This is the story all about Mrs. Dalloway, written by Virginia Woolf. The next is Don Quixote, and this was written by Miguel de Cervantes. Miguel de Cervantes ने ये नॉवल लिखी है डॉन quijote, and it was a स्पेनिश नॉवल है ये, written by Miguel de Cervantes. Publication date, ये novel जो है, this novel is published in two parts. First published in 1605, and another when second it was in second part it was published in 1615. So overall it has two parts. The first part was published in 1605 and second part was published in 1615. The characters involved in this novel: Sancho Panza, Dulcinea del Toboso, Alonso Quijano. These are the novel. These are the characters involved in this novel, and the genre parody satire है, psychological fiction है, and satirical novel written by Miguel de Cervantes. And this is regarded as one of the best and novel ever written in history of English literature. Important novel we are discussing here in this particular video, the first part of the important novels and of English literature, Ulysses, which was written by James Joyce, who was the Irish writer, Irish novelist थे James Joyce, and the publication date of this novel was 2nd February 1922. 1922 में ये novel publish हुई है by James Joyce, and the character we have Leopold Bloom, Molly Bloom, Stephen Dedalus. Dedalus, these are the important characters who played important role in this novel by James Joyce, and the novel's name was Ulysses, and the genre of this work of James Joyce is novel fiction, fictional work है ये, and this is also one of the great and novel famous novel of the English literature. Friends, and in this part we had discussed important novels of English literature, and later on in our coming videos we will discuss each and every novel he discussed here very briefly. We will discuss all that novels here mentioned in this video in details in our coming video. Till then, keep connecting Englet Zone, and also wait for the second part of the important novels with brief details related to that novels. Till then, keep connecting Englet Zone, and thank you very much for watching this.